honest to God, the shit we find in the most random places. Look at that beautiful background, and this is what we found. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we have no plan. We know the area we're going to, but we do not have a hotel booked, so we're just going to head to that area and see if we can find a hotel. The problem we're having is there's no hotel rooms with 3 beds. Jessie has nowhere to sleep.
Yeah. And then the ones that are bigger, the reviews are absolutely atrocious. Some even saying that they're scams and they don't even exist. So with only half a plan, we set off on the roads of Lombok.
Are you a smoker? Have you ever wondered about how your tobacco gets dried? Well, wonder no more. It gets dried on the side of the highway. Yes, this is tobacco. Being dried, all shredded, ready to go into your pouch of ciggies. Yuck.
One of the major health hazards, apart from the obvious, is something called green tobacco sickness. It's when farmers can develop symptoms by coming in contact with the nicotine on the green tobacco leaves.
Look, it's full of tobacco. There you go. A few 100 kilos of tobacco in the back of his truck. Tobacco is absolutely everywhere here. It is growing in nearly every field. I'd say that's why it's so cheap to buy here, because it is actually manufactured, manufactured and sold here. So
around 35% of the adult population in Indonesia smokes tobacco, with the majority being men, one of the highest rates in the world.
is this tobacco?
Yeah.
Yes? Sweet. Here we go. 3,000 rupiah per bag. Come to a bit of a traffic jam. Fully loaded truck. So we are literally where tourists don't go. Everybody is just staring. And this is the parts that we love. We love coming through these bits, the villages, the real Indonesia. Are you going to school?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
There you go, they're building themselves a mosque. And this fella here is yelling at everyone. Look at all these fellas on their way to work. This one's carrying his wheelbarrow. This one's carrying two. Hey, it's got a wheel, why not use it? I think that's a great idea. Okay, we finally made it out of that city and we're back in the countryside. How much nicer is this than buildings? We've still got 46 minutes till we get to our destination. Also, we've lost Yana on the comms. So me and Jessie can hear each other, but Yana's has died. So we've just entered the Rinjani National Park. Absolutely stunning here, and what a road to ride on. Now this has got to be monkey territory. I hope the camera does this justice, guys, and how absolutely beautiful this road is. Look at this. And it's really cold now, like really cold. The cold air coming out of the mountains is unreal. There's a monkey. I see one. Monkey. Oh, there's another one. Next monkey I see, I'm going to pull over and get some food. Here he comes. Go. He ate it. This is fantastic, guys. I love national parks like this where they're just full green and beautiful. I'm throwing out beef cubes for the monkeys as I drive past them. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look up there. Holy fuck. Wow. How breathtaking was that coming over that hill? So we're sitting here waiting for lunch and I found this thing on the map.
You always find the most random things to do in random towns. We've just found a colourful rainbow slide in the middle of nowhere, basically.
We're so unfit. The funny thing is we quit smoking, so we shouldn't be this unfit. But point us in the direction of a slightly elevated climb and we just crumble. Just that view though. What a random little park. The place unlimited happiness. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ticket C, ticket D was not available because some of the things aren't working, so.
There's actually a hotel room in this park. It is directly in front of the little koi pond. Luke just said to me, would you really want to stay here? And I think I would. Because at night time it would be quiet because no one would be here because the park would be closed. But you would have this place all to yourself. That's cool. 3 people on there, okay?
Okay.
Yeah?
4 people adults maximum.
Oh, okay, cool. This is terrifying if you don't like heights.
Ready? I'm gonna do it.
Oh my god.
No, that's enough.
Is that scary?
Go on. Down.
They reckon 4 adults max. Oh my god, don't touch me.
I'm holding you so you don't fall. I am terrified. Oh, it's slippery. The steps slippery.
We're just a big bunch of pussies. Oh my god, it's scarier to go down. Right. Heights are fine. It's the falling part that I don't like. Worth it. Worth it for this shot. Okay, next thing on the list is bicycles on a wire.
This is mental. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's so awkward, but so fun. Honest to God, the shit we find in the most random places. Look at that beautiful background, and this is what we found. Right? Like, come on, man. There is not a soul here either. We're at the places the tourists don't go.
What an awesome way to end the day.
As dodgy as it was, it's fun. Cost us
good
6 AUD. Like, come on, man. How can you go past that for $6?
Yeah. So tomorrow the plan is to find some waterfalls. So make sure you're watching, make sure you're subscribed, and comment and let us know, would you ride these things? See you guys.
Waterfall time. Pew!